Hello there, Plex viewers. This is Nick Krause back on the Plex Nation server after a very long time. Today we are going to start the season 1, episode 1 of this series. And so at the beginning, in the season 1, episode 0, you saw that something written like this: you will be teleported to a random location. So the random location has already been discussed and it has been named. So I can just go there by typing /start. So I have started with season 1. They have given the title. I've started with season 1 according to the server in this village. So this place was decided to be our destination for season 1, episode 1. Uh, hmm. Not season 1, episode 1, this whole season. You might be asking why this big fortress made up of wood is made here. It's my creation. The reason why it's here is because the server has gone through 4 total launches. All of them were cancelled, and this being the 4th one. The other 3 were cancelled due to technical problems and other shortage of, you know, some recording issues, some technical problems, etc. And between those times, in off camera, we build this. I and my friend Sci-Fi build this whole massive fortress. This grass flooring and the upper part, the boundary that you see over here, and this thing was done by me, and the below part was done by my very good friend Sci-Fi. Let me quickly eat. And the whole terraforming bunch stuff was also done by me. So most of the stuff is done here, but I am mostly a nomad here because apart from having a fort, I have mostly junk in my inventory and very less supply. So you can call this a fresh start off. I have a farm over there, some bunch of horses, but not a very good start. As you can see, my starter house is not even built, not even in shape. This is the starting framework of the building. So for this short episode, this episode will be a very short one. That's why I called it short. For this episode, I will try to replace the word and show you how actually I want it to look. And I will show you the clip of the house after it's finished in a minute. I managed to complete this part of the building. The the left front or the right front, I don't know. I have not calculated, or I have not seen it properly, but this part of the build is completed, and I wish to complete the other parts, but I am missing out on the dye for the terracotta. I have a bunch of terracotta with me, but they are just not the right color. This much, yeah, to cover this whole thing I have little resources. For that I will have to go to the forest now, and I will see you there. Now I'm leaving the fortress in search of the forest I'm horseback right now on my favorite horse Sebastian, this gold armored horse which I found in the 3rd launch of the server, and I tamed it, and it's my favorite horse since then. And I'm trying to find the forest right now, which is somewhere right here. If I follow the torches, I place them to go to my initial starter house, or the second starter house I built, and I named it the shack. And it's right here, the forest. Fringeland forest or Fenland forest. Yeah, it's a Fringeland forest. So I will be gathering some cocoa beans here, and I will catch you in a minute. I've gathered the cocoa beans and I'm going to go back to the fortress. I've gathered about a stack and 2 of cocoa beans so that I can make some dice for my blocks, and maybe try to finish some of it. I know it won't be finished with a stack of terracotta blocks, that much big house. It's just a framework I'm using, and that's what's taking the that much terracotta. I will try to finish however much I can, and I will show you after I complete it. So far I've managed to complete this whole part of the house by covering covering it with the terracotta framework, and now I'm fully out of resources. I have no terracotta left. These are for the other parts of the buildings. As you can see, there are wide openings here. Here I'm going to put the rest of the terracotta with different colors. So that's why I'm out of resources, and still there are some bits and bobs that are remaining to be put, but I can't put them since I'm out of resources. For this episode, we have completed the bottom level of our house, the exterior at least, and we have depleted our resources fully on brown and white terracotta. So, to find a solution to this problem, I have thought of making a village inside this fort, a village inside this Rohanstone fort, which will be named Rohanstone Village. And that village will house some of the villagers which I will handpick from the Copperville village. Oh no, the Silverstone village. Yeah, and those will suit my solution. Means they will give me the resources unlimited. Like if I need terracotta, I can easily buy from them with a handful of emeralds. Until then, make sure you like, share and comment on this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. And stay tuned. See you later.